So, hello everyone. Today we are going to study the Hindu newspaper, and we will try to study the Hindu newspaper in less than about 30 minutes or so. We will just spend about 30 minutes. So, as you all know, that prelims is just around the corner, and we have to apply all the techniques of speed reading and grasping everything. So, as you all can see, this is the Hindu newspaper for September 18th, Saturday. It's apparently today. And so we will be scrolling down and coming to the main newspaper. Right, here we are. So as you can see, I have already done some annotation before. This was my explanation. How we are going to read this newspaper is going to be very simple. Is that we are going to first divide this newspaper. We are going to divide the newspaper into different parts that we need to read. So division of newspaper, first of all, is two different parts that we have to read. And secondly, then we will be focusing on what we have to read, and we'll be reading it at a very high speed in a way that we can also remember and understand what is it and what is said in the said clipping. Now, what I was explaining earlier is that the most important thing in a newspaper article is first of all how and why. How is something done and why is it done? These are the two most important things that is present in newspaper articles. Of course, what is something that you will be using to understand if you have to read the newspaper article or not, and whom is something that you it is on you if you can remember or not. The last thing that you have to remember is when something happened. Why I lay least emphasis on when is because it's very tough to remember the dates and the time. So what I suggest is you remember just the time frame of something that happened. So for example, I have already marked several articles in this newspaper. I have marked these articles as yellow. Yellow means that we'll definitely have to read them. These are the most important articles that we cannot leave today's newspaper without reading these articles. So these are most important articles that we have to read. Secondly, what I will do right now is I will mark the articles that are of the secondary importance. That if you don't read these articles, I mean, uh, it's on your choice. That if 30 minutes are complete, then you leave the newspaper and don't read this article because you will get these news somewhere else as well. All right. So marking the secondary articles. All right. I have also marked some red articles here. Red articles are something that you don't have to read. It is not at all required for you to read those articles because either most of them contains political scenario that is supposed to die down in a few days after it changes, or it will not be reported again in the newspaper. So it's not of paramount importance to read those political articles. All right. So, for example, this article court says no steps by top police officer for a proper prosecution of right cases. This article is you can give this a reading if you have time. All right. This is again. So this is Akali Dal chief 1600 detained for protest march against farm laws. In this case, only the farm laws are important. You have to understand why Akali Dal chief was against the farm laws. That's it. There's no more required in this article to read. Six held for forging papers, sent people abroad. All right, man held for killing youth in Dwarka. So something. This is something that you have to avoid. This is the tabloid news that happens to be present. Not exactly tabloid, but the thing is that we don't have really time to spare for these news articles. Reconsider prohibition of hookah in public. This was an important article because this again comes in the aspect of the COVID-19, because the government wants to prevent the spread or using if somebody is using hookahs. All right. Next important article is by government tells private agencies to follow guidelines to curb pollution. This is important. This is important article because this comes under environment. This is an article for environment. All right, moving on. Police driven by vendetta, Rakesh Asthana tells High Court. This article I will mark as green because again there's some politics involved in there. All right, moving on. Ashram flyover underpass. This is specifically for Delhiites, so it's not required. Promise of jobs. All right, this is again political. Avoid the political news at all costs. BJP organizes series of events for PM's birthday. Again, it's a political news. Arminda demands scrapping of farm laws. So in this, you have to understand why farm laws and why Arminder only is against Arminder or the Punjab Chief Minister is against this. I'm sorry, it went against the highlight. All right, yes, now we are there. All right, AAP again, AAP against farm laws. Arminder is against farm laws, right? And short pants in Assam. This is something that you don't want to read. This is something that is probably, but the article was published by a good agency. That's the Press Trust of India. SC allows Kerala to hold physical exams. This is important. Why this is important is because Kerala had seen an upsurge of cases, but still it wants to conduct physical exams. So this is you can also have an ethical question here, right? The second thing is that online mode would prejudice students without the access to electronic gadgets. So somewhere you can understand that it's a two-way sword. The government is proposing that we are want to help every student, and SC Supreme Court looking at that, it allowed Kerala government. So that means that this article is important to understand the what the government and the Supreme Court is thinking about this. All right, BJP will come to power in Telangana. Again, political judicial probe into raid suspect. So this is something that you can give a read. 14 workers injured in a bridge. Inquiry into mishap. Ajit Pawar, of course, there's going to be an inquiry. All right, but I don't see the newspaper. All right. BJP High Court awards 10 lakh to widows of three manual scavengers. So you have to understand this is manual scavenging ke against article. So uh, this is Bombay High Court. I'm sorry, this was Bombay High Court. So Bombay High Court article important because it's against manual scavenging and they would be helping out public welfare. Now we come to the most important section. You cannot leave the Hindu newspaper without reading the editorial, so it's important. Today's editorial was mainly focused. Today's actually the Hindu newspaper was mainly focused on the international relation parts. It was full of Afghanistan news about Afghanistan. All right. So we have the Afghan rebel, and this article is by M.K. Narayan. It's a very, very good article. You have to is a former national security advisor and a former governor of West Bengal. So this article you should give a read. You have to give a read. Moving on, Act and Friction, the National Commission essential to make appointments to tribunals. This is going to be a trivial article for all of you. Those who don't know tribunals, NCT, so these are the tribunals for arbitration and for taking up cases set up by the government. So this is also an important article when it comes to this. All right, dark cloud on Kerala skies of communal harmony. We are talking about communal harmony. So this article is also important to read. Stepping back, it says it's against the Kohli's decision to step down from the T20 leadership. Now, this article you can give a read if you are a cricket enthusiast and if your passion in your DAF you will be writing as cricket. So this article is something that you should be aware of. Next, coming to this is the major and the most important article in the newspaper, I believe. So, other virus, we're talking about the Nipah virus that is spreading across Kerala right now and raging pandemic. We are all facing pandemic. So, this article is very important because it gives us into an aspect of how the virus is spreading and what the government is doing, tracing the source, integrated approach. So, this article is a very wholesome article that would again take you 5 to 7 minutes of your time just reading this. All right. Again, we have Congress leaders, movie political, no political articles. Petroleum products should remain outside GST. This is from page one, if I can understand. So this is a very important article. GST, economics, it would be in challenges Gujarat's all new cabinet. So this you can read because Gujarat recently had a all new cabinet. Afghanistan, again, Afghanistan news about Afghanistan. This is RSS news. Rashtriya Seva Sevak Mohan Bhagwat ji. So this article also is just an optional article. NIA grills LET terraces Tunda over railway station explosion. So this could be an important because you will have to understand what the railway station explosion was. So in just this case, you'll have to understand why this article is important. India sets record. This article was the front page news. Webinar, all right, I is trying to Kerala Temple Trust. Again, this is a very important article. Jaishankar calls for early resolution of LAC issue. So what we can understand, this is the international relations article, and we are with a Chinese counterpart here. So this is something that you have to give a read on. Talks on Afghanistan, General Rawat's comment, military talks. So this is something very important article for you guys. Higher judiciary said for biggest reshuffle in the recent times. So this article is also very important. I'm marking it as secondary. All right. So all right. Moving on, we have HIW slams. What is human rights? All right. Human Rights Watch. So this is something that is also very important article. HIW slams harassment of activists and journalists. Australia informed India about AUKUS, says NWatch. So AUKUS is Australian, UK, US diplomatic tie that was announced recently. So this article is also very important from the IR perspective. So this article is also very important from the IR perspective. I am marking it as green. This is Trinamool. This is red. BJP stakes loan and loan territory. All right. Major restructuring of railways on the anvil. Major restructuring of railways on the anvil. So this is going to be a very, very important article for you to understand and read. So finally, we have found article number one that we have to definitely give the read about. Star astrophysicist Thanu Padmabhan passes away. This is something that this is optional. If you can give it a read, it's good because it will make you aware. All right, moving on, we have NCBS route for handling scientific misconduct. What is NCBS? Is National Center for Biological Sciences, Bangalore for scientific. All right, this article then also becomes important because scientific misconduct. All right, so next article that we'll be coming on to is a fresh probe order into Manipuri Mainpuri minor rape case. All right, so this is something that you have to understand what is this because it again goes into if you have the optional of law, then you'll need to be aware of this what happened here. So I'll mark it as pink. This is extremely optional, right? Uday's future colleague remarks spark speculation. Against this is politics, but this is an supremacy of bhakti. This is important. This is important for the fact that you'll have to understand if this is related to bhakti movement, you'll have to give it a read. Again, we come to international relation article. This newspaper today is full of international relation news. So Afghanistan, how China is reacting to Afghanistan, how India is reacting to China's reaction on Afghanistan. So all of that comes in this newspaper today, came in this newspaper today. So this is important. Foreign Minister Wang Yi too attended an income meeting with officials from Russia, Pakistan, and Iran. Russia, Pakistan, and Iran. That's a tough trio we have to deal with. Biden unveils plan to cut methane emissions. This is again very important because this comes under the your environment topic. Moving ahead, UN mission in Afghanistan to get an extension. This is important news. You will have to read. Australia shrugs off China's anger on nuclear submarines. We are interested in ensuring that international waters are always international waters, says PM. This is again international news, very important news. All right, Janta to port Suki and Graf trial. All right, this is important because Myanmar is a very important ally for India, and they are again putting the Aung San Suu Kyi to trial. Race for Japan's new PM kicks off. In this, you'll have to understand who the new PM would be. So that this case, I would be hoping it to develop ahead in the ahead newspapers. All right, Naval Me. What is this? Naval Me created a Russian operation leaders. So this is again this is Russian politics. All right, Chinese astronauts back after 90 days in space. So you'll have to understand what their space program is. This is the Chinese space program. Why this is of importance for us. Next, we have to understand council raises GST on low-cost footwear garments to 12%. So this is going to impact everyone right now. You have to understand that this is economics. If the government is raising the taxes, GST on low-cost footwear and garments, then the lower strata of the society would be affected. Facility to deepen corporate bond market on anvil. All right, airlines fly high. This is the airline market. This is again economics. You have to understand why the economic market, airlines market is right now soaring. All right, SE issues notice to Adani Group. Gujarat's reform package. So this is something that is very important. You'll have to understand. This came in the news earlier today. This is the reform package. The government is announcing SOPs for all the all these telecom industries. World Trade Agriculture Pact tilted against developing countries. So this is important article. World Trade Organization is against the agricultural country. So this again becomes an important article. Moving on, we have the sports section. Sports section is something that if you have time and if you are interested, then you can give it a read. Then you can give it a read. So all in all, this was the first time we were marking all the articles that we have to make sure that we read in the newspaper. And yes, so all right, this video has been far too long, so we'll be stopping this video and just subscribe to the channel and await the next few videos coming ahead. We give you tips and tricks on how you can improve your newspaper reading in a fast and efficient manner. Thank you everyone for watching and tuning in, and please do subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.